Hi, welcome to another robot tutorial video. Hi again, here's a quick tutorial about something that I've spotted when I've been doing some AI creations inside Photoshop. Now let's say for instance I've developed this one, looks a nice image, what I wanted. The only big problem is it's got 5 fingers, okay, we need 4. So how do we resolve this? Now this isn't necessarily too much of a problem because he's wearing a glove, so the AI is not going to see it as a real finger. So what I could do is I could select the actual area I want to change, make sure my panel's open, generative AI, type in remove finger, okay, and then if we press generate, sometimes it recognises finger as a word that you don't want to remove someone's finger because it could look nasty. So sometimes they flag it in the AI coding and put a brown notice up, but because, as I said, it's not actually a real finger, it's in a glove, they can actually do it and it works properly. Okay, so you could do something like this. Okay, that one's quite nice, you see. So now what happens if you actually have a real finger? So let's switch to this one. Notice it's got 3 fingers. Select the area. Now we've got to add a finger, not remove it here, so let's see if that works. There you go, you get your little brown warning. Okay, guidelines. I don't know whether they think it's something to do with violence or something, removing fingers, adding fingers, I don't know. So how do we get past that problem? Okay, the simple answer is you can just not put a prompt in. It says you need to have a prompt, but basically if you just ignore it and basically press that, and you get your finger back. Okay, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it has a distortion. Now let's say for instance you like that one, you could always do generate similar, but sometimes that will then create a prompt problem as well. There you go. So there you go, you have to just keep generating it until you get the one you like. Okay, I didn't give anything. That one's not too bad. That's quite nice, but I did do one earlier which I quite liked, which was this one. Oh, it's not this one. Got to turn these off. This one. Now that all has the fingers at the same size. You see, so that's fixed now. And all I need to do now is just remove that bit of cloth because it's not actually correct either. Now there, you see, I can actually carry on putting the remove. So basically the situation is if you do have missing fingers or too many fingers, try to think about the wording that you use. Don't think about actually using the term finger or digit or whatever, and it will basically give you some options, clearer options, based on seeing what the image is for itself, you see, and then judging whether it needs an extra finger or not. So that's the best way to resolve this issue. Okay. Thank you for watching the video, and please consider subscribing to my channel, and also press the notification bell so you're aware of when a new video has been uploaded. If you like the video, consider pressing the thumbs up icon, as well as possibly leaving a comment to tell me what you think. Also consider sharing the video on these sites, as well as follow me on these social media channels. Thank you again for watching.